All right, we're back and ready for part 2 of this adorable little panda bear. I think this would make the cutest little Valentine's Day card. I have both a thin and a thick Sharpie. On its face, I will use the ultra fine, and on the rest of the details, other than this little line or string, I will use the fine point. We're going to go through these steps one more time. I'm going to add the face, which is a round shape. Again, I add zigzags because I like my bears to be kind of furry and look like they're all just woke up from their hibernation. We're going to add the ears. The ears are dark, so we're going to color those in. Now, there's no rule that says every panda has to be black and white, so if you wanted to, you could totally turn this into a blue and white, a green and white, a pink and white. Just change out wherever the dark color is for whatever color you want your panda to be. Right, and I'm going to switch out to my ultrafine and add the details of the face. Now they have black patches around their eyes. I'm not doing it all the way around, but I'm doing this outside edge of the eye dark as well as its eyeball. And then that in-between area can be the color of its eye, or it can stay white. Panda bears are so popular. They're so cute, and they're hard to find here in the US. We don't have, I think there's only one zoo left that has panda bears, which is sad. His mouth looks a little funny because I colored it in. If I erase that, it's much cuter. Then we're ready to add the belly sides, leaving a gap for the arm. Add these arms. Those will be black too, but we have to wait and add the rest of the details. I'm going to give it some legs. Now we want to add the markings. So we're going to add these little curves over the top of their legs and this little hem across the top of the body. The legs are dark. Again, if you want to do a panda a different color, that's totally fine. Just wherever I'm coloring it dark black, you can change it out for the color that you want your panda to be. You can do a rainbow panda. You guys have to let me know if you think of any cool Valentine's Day puns that we could add to the picture. Like, you take my heart away, or you keep me flying. I don't know. Yeah, they're way better at that than I am. And then also his arms and chest there are going to be dark. Don't add a lot of details for the paws because they're dark. You're not going to see a lot of detail. You can always go back in with like a white gel pen and add detail on top of the Sharpie, and that is helpful. I might do that for where the string is, or even like a silvery one. We're not really going to see it. So now that we've got his arms. He's so cute. All right, now we're ready to add the balloons. Well, it's one balloon with multiple hearts. You could add patterns inside of a big heart. You can make it a big round balloon. There's really no rules. For the string, I'm going to switch back to my ultra fine. Again, it kind of comes back, goes over, twists around, and comes down. So you kind of see it on there, but it's very light. Like I said, you could take your white gel pen and go over that just to kind of give it the lines to show what's happening, but that's up to you. And then you can color in its cute little face and the sky in the background or watercolor. I hope you had fun with this drawing, and check out some of the other drawings. I have more pandas coming. I hope to see you in the next video.